You're doing okay. Kasi you're building these dreams together, you know, and you're praying kay Jesus. Di ba siya yung kasama mo side by side? Siya like, trying to save you.
Sa totoo lang, kuya, hindi ko po talaga na-expect na magsasama po si mommy and daddy ng ganun. So, parang feeling ko if I can talk to Peach ngayon, siguro gusto ko lang rin, kuya, mag-thank you. Kasi I haven't seen that in a while. I haven't hugged the both of them. Sobrang laking bagay po sa akin, kuya, na makapagpaalam kay Peach. Palakas niya po yung loob ko, seeing her one last time. To be honest rin po kasi, kuya, parang napanghihinaan po talaga ako ng loob these past few days. Minsan dumadating po sa point na hindi ko na po alam kung ano yung pinaglalaban ko dito. But seeing Peach again made me want to fight even harder.